Bonjour, bonjour. I know I look more like Nana Mouskouri than a Greek philosopher. C'est pas grave, it doesn't matter. We are continuing with the subjunctive with quirky, irregular RE verbs and conjunctions. We have looked at adjectives that trigger the subjunctive. We have looked at emotional and doubting verbs that bring up the subjunctive. And now we are going to look at conjunctions that trigger the subjunctive. What are conjunctions? Conjunctions are connective words, which is why we have the picture of the chain. They are connective words that join sentences, clauses, parts of sentences together. Afin que, which is a little fancy. The spoken version is pour que, meaning in order that, so that. We've got afin que, the arrow pointing to the word fin, the end. Afin que, that is the end in mind. Afin que. And then we've got pour que, pouring a cup of tea. De façon que, de manière que, so that, again it means so that, literally in a way that. We've got the arrows pointing the way. There are two ways of saying way in French. We have façon. Think of doing it in a certain fashion. Façon. Thank you, Marilyn, for that one. Manière, manner, in a manner that. De façon que, de manière que also means so that, in a way that. Why have we got two little n's there in the brackets? Because some of these conjunctions bring up a really useless n. And this n has nothing to do with being negative. It's just a bit of a filler-in word. Don't ask me why. These things were thought up many, many years ago, way before my time. De crainte que, de peur que, also with a useless n. I have to say, in speaking, people don't bother with the n. You just may see it in writing. De crainte que, de peur que, for fear that. Let's put them into context. How do we say in order that, so that, the pointing to the fin and the pouring one? Afin que or pour que. To drive, conduire, but often in spoken language people will say rouler. She's driving slowly so that he follow her without getting lost. Elle conduit, ou elle roule, lentement, or you can say doucement, afin qu'il la suive sans se perdre. Elle conduit, ou elle roule, lentement ou doucement, pour qu'il la suive sans se perdre. In a way that, also meaning so that. De façon que, de manière que. The ones that have this useless n, I've put a little sandwich on. I left the message on the table so that she read it whilst coming into the kitchen. J'ai laissé le message sur la table de façon qu'elle le lise en entrant dans la cuisine. J'ai laissé le message sur la table de manière qu'elle le lise en entrant dans la cuisine. For fear that. De crainte, nice clear T, de crainte que, de peur que. He's not leaving him alone with his sister for fear that he seduce her. Il ne le laisse pas seul avec sa sœur, or the slang for sister, frangine, de crainte qu'il la séduise. Il ne le laisse pas seul avec sa sœur ou sa frangine, de peur qu'il la séduise. More conjunctions that trigger the subjunctive. Bien que, with a useless ne. Bien que. Then we've got mal. We've got bien and mal. He's hurting his head by slapping his forehead. It hurts. Ça fait mal. Malgré que. Bien que and malgré que. Despite. Despite hurting my head. Although. Although I've got a sandwich on my thumb. Bien que. Even though. Despite, although, even though. Bien que. Malgré que. À condition que. On the condition that you will win this prize, ce prix. À condition que. Pourvu que. We've got the pouring, the tea pouring again with a lovely long distance view because it means as long as or provided that. Pourvu. Pourvu que. À moins que. You've got the less sign because it means unless. À moins que with a useless ne. Should call it a filler in, really. Poor old ne. How do we say despite, although, even though? Even though I'm slapping my head and hurting myself, even though I've got a sandwich on my thumb? Bien que. Malgré que. My mother doesn't listen to me, even though I interrupt her. She carries on talking. Ma mère ne m'écoute pas, bien que je l'interrompe. Elle continue de parler. Or you can also say elle continue à parler. I tend to go for de, but you can use either de or à. Ma mère ne m'écoute pas, malgré que je l'interrompe. Elle continue de parler. Elle continue à parler. On the condition that. À condition que. You can go on your tablet on the condition that you read for half an hour first. Start with tu, then we'll do vous. Tu peux aller sur ta tablette à condition que tu lises une demi-heure d'abord. With vous, let's speak to more than one person. Vous pouvez aller sur vos tablettes à condition que vous lisiez une demi-heure d'abord. Provided that, as long as. Pourvu que. We can go as long as we write an email to her every week. Nous pouvons y aller, donc y aller pourvu que nous lui écrivions un email ou un mail toutes les semaines ou chaque semaine. On peut y aller pourvu qu'on lui écrive un email toutes les semaines ou chaque semaine. Unless, à moins que. It's going to be difficult unless she lives with them first. Ça va être difficile, à moins qu'elle ne vive avec eux ou elle d'abord. You can drop the no in speaking. Normalement, il n'y a pas de problème, à moins qu'ils nous poursuivent. What does it mean? Normalement, il n'y a pas de problème, à moins qu'ils nous poursuivent. Normalement does mean normally, but as a filler-in kind of word, it's often used as in theory. All being well, there's no problem, unless he prosecutes us, or unless he chases us. New conjunctions that trigger the subjunctive. Avant que, we have the avant-garde soldier who is stepping on a sandwich because we have one of those filler-in-ness. Avant que, en attendant que. The short version is until. The long version is while waiting that. While waiting. This is the gerund. Jusqu'à ce que also means until. Jusqu'à ce que. Slowly, jusqu'à ce que. Of course, people don't speak at that speed. It will sound like jusqu'à ce que, jusqu'à ce que. Until. En attendant que, whilst waiting. Jusqu'à ce que, until. Sans que, without. We only need a filler in ne here if the verb has been negated. Non pas que, not that. No, not that. Non pas que. Before, avant que, with a sandwich, filler in sandwich. Let's leave before Julien destroys all the sandcastles. Partant, avant que Julien ne, don't bother saying it in speaking, détruise tous les châteaux de sable. Let's bring in the washing before the sun fades all the colours. Rentrons le linge, to bring in is to bring it back in, to come back in. Rentrons le linge avant que le soleil déteigne les couleurs. Until, the one that means while waiting for. En attendant que. They're staying with my brother until you have painted all the bedrooms in pink. Il ou elle reste avec mon frère, frangin, the slang frangin, en attendant que tu peignes, from peindre, toutes les chambres en rose. Sometimes you will see chambre à coucher for bedroom, but usually chambre just mean bedroom. Il ou elle reste avec mon frère, frangin, en attendant que vous peigniez toutes les chambres à coucher en rose. I'm reading my newspaper while waiting for my wife to dye her hair. To get her hair dyed, it will be pronominal. Je lis mon journal en attendant que ma femme se teigne les cheveux. From teindre, to dye as in dye your hair, dye clothes. Que sometimes becomes asque with some constructs. We've seen this one. Jusqu'à ce que. Jusqu'à ce que. Why? I don't know. It means until. We are only going to use this top one, but I will show you where à ce que appears in other places. S'attendre à ce que, to expect to. Se décider à ce que, to make up one's mind, to do something, to decide to do something. S'habituer à ce que, to get used to. Tenir à ce que, to insist on. Veiller à ce que, to ensure that. Future tense. In English, we use the auxiliary verb will. I will do this thing, you will, he will, etc. In French, they don't use an auxiliary verb for the future tense. What they do is they use the infinitive. To the infinitive, they add on special future endings, which just so happen to follow the conjugation of avoir. So your endings are like when you conjugate avoir in the present tense. So like j'ai, tu as, il, elle, on a, nous avons, vous avez, ils, elles ont. So for the nous avons, you'll take off the AV, you just add on the ONS. And the same for avez, you just add on the EZ. Let's have a look. Prendre is to take. The special sound for the future tense is the R of the infinitive. So that means for RE verbs, we take off the E because we want our word to end in R, which it will do for ER verbs and IR verbs. So for RE verbs, we take off the final E to leave us with a final R. And then we will add on our special future tense will endings, which happen to be the same as avoir in the present tense. So I will take, je prendrai. With a clear R, you push down on the R, je prendrai. You will take, tu prendras. He, she, one will take, sounds the same. Il, elle, on prendra. We will take, add on the ONS. Nous prendrons, with a clear R. It's all about the R with the future tense. You will take, vous prendrez. They will take, ils, elles prendront. So je prendrai and vous prendrez sound the same. Tu prendras and il, elle, on prendra sound the same. And then we will take, nous prendrons, and they will take, ils, elles prendront sound the same. Until, jusqu'à ce que, takes some getting used to, but it's used. Carefully is prudently in French. Prudemment. Don't ask me why there's an E in the middle and it's pronounced like an A, but it is. Prudemment. You won't, meaning you will not, take my car until you drive more carefully. Tu ne prendras pas ma voiture jusqu'à ce que tu conduises plus prudemment. Vous ne prendrez pas ma voiture jusqu'à ce que vous conduisiez plus prudemment. To hang up is accrocher. We've got a picture of a hook there, and crochet, you crochet with a hook, which is where we get the word crochet from. Accrocher, to hang up. To hang back up is raccrocher. To unhook, pick up the phone, décrocher. Now hang back up and continue to call her until you reach her. Maintenant, raccroche et continue de l'appeler jusqu'à ce que tu la joignes, with the GN in there. Maintenant, raccrochez et continuez de l'appeler jusqu'à ce que vous la joigniez. Without. Sans que. I would like to read out loud. Read out loud is read in a high voice without them interrupting me. Would, would, would. We've had will. Now we've got would. We've got will and woody. Connie is our representation of the would. This is called the conditional. I would if I could. Connie conditional. How do we form the conditional? How do we talk about I would if I could? You take the infinitive again, just like will. You take the infinitive and you add on exactly the same endings as you do for the imperfect. AIS, AIS, AIT, IONS, IEZ, AIENT. The imperfect, you are adding it onto the stem. For the Connie conditional, you are adding it onto the infinitive. Of course, for RE verbs, you need to remove the final E. However, we are using to like, which is aimer. You can use je voudrais. You will be familiar with that one. I would like. Je voudrais, j'aimerais. Often people will add on bien, j'aimerais bien. Lire à haute voix sans qu'il ou sans qu'elle m'interrompe. Not that. They would say no, not that. Non pas que. Not that he's following me on Facebook. Non pas qu'ils ne me suivent sur Facebook. Can drop the ne. Et voilà les amis. Merci beaucoup. À la prochaine fois.